Well, friends, today's my lecture topic is Indo-US relations. So, if we talk about the bilateral relations between any two countries, then the relations are a very plays a significant role to enhancing the external interest of the countries. And in respect to the India and US relations, the relations came into force after the war with Pakistan of India in 1971. In fact, in that war, US supported Pakistan by sending its naval power against India, and at that time, India was we can say much tilted towards USSR, and later on, the growing hegemony of China in the Indo-Pacific region, the relations between India and US got converged. So now I'm going to talking about the relations in the 4-5 factors. The first factor that I would like to tell you is the trade. If you talk about the trade between both the countries, then trade stood at $80 billion, in which $51 billion we are exporting, and around 28.88 billion US dollar we are importing from US. Okay, and we have seen that in June 2019, the former US President Donald Trump has terminated the GSP status, that is a generalized system of preferences. Okay, so this is about the trade, and yes, the generalized system of preferences was terminated because of United States want to have access of the Indian market of the dairy and agricultural product of US. But India doesn't want it, because India want to promote its domestic agriculture and dairy products. So this is because of this concern that India did not allow, we can say, or we can say did not give the access to the American products, and that is the reason why India is not joining the RCEP agreement, that is Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Okay, now I'm going to talking about the defense ties between both the countries. Then defense is also one of the major reason behind the relationship, or we can say the bilateral relationship of India and US. And our trade in respect to defense stood at $20 billion, and we are purchasing the transport aircraft, say helicopter and etc. For example, we are purchasing C-130J Super Hercules transport aircraft from US, and other like C-17 Globemaster. And in respect to helicopter, we are purchasing the Apache helicopter, Chinook helicopter, and we have also in the visit of Donald Trump to India, we have signed the agreement of purchasing of the MS-60 Romeo helicopter at the worth of $3 billion. Now I'm going to talking about some we can say some exercise between both the countries. We have seen in October 2021 that both the countries conducted the military exercise named as Yuddha Abhyas, and that was the 17th edition of this exercise. And other one like Vajra Prahar and Ajay Warrior. Okay, so these are the exercise. Now I'm going to talking about the space ties between both the countries. So yes, space is also a bigger sector in respect to the relations between the countries. And India and US space agencies, the NASA and ISRO, are collaborating at the developing of a satellite, that is NISAR. NISAR stands for NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar for Earth Science Studies. Okay, so this is about the space ties. And finally, I would like to conclude my lecture by saying that the relations are very crucial at that time, because if we talk about the China's aggression in Indian Ocean, then it is very high that the US also want to counter China in the Indo-Pacific region, and that is the reason why we are the member of Quad, that is Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. So we have to counter China, and US also wanted it. So we should keep our relationship going on, and that's how we would be able to counter China as we are facing the unprovoked aggression in the northern borders. Thank you.